And so then when I look at these words of Jesus, I felt real good, because when I understood the inner kingdom, he says on page 789, are you there?
No. He didn't tell us.
Wow. But look at it. This is the last scripture you'll have to look at for a while. I just want you to see it. I want you to see it. Our friend is back from New Orleans. We just sent our two, what would we call them? I know Ethel and Albert, but I was going to call them a name. Speedy and his wife down to, that's a wonderful thing that you learn in this type of an environment. Here Albert had a stroke. He can't use his whole right side, and you can kid him about it. And he's the biggest one to react to have, and that's what makes him feel a part of it all. So we laugh at him, tell him to hurry up, and we were up to New York last time. Here he was, he can't walk, and he's standing in the middle of 34th Street, and taxi cabs are whizzing by on the left and both sides of him. He's right in the middle of the street, and he looks at me, he says, "This is fantastic."